The most impressive thing about cricket is that anyone can make it big in the game if one has talent and passion. Many would argue that getting the right opportunity at the right time also plays an important role, and that argument is not false. It's only that talent and passion outweigh opportunity by a huge margin. Are you not convinced yet? Well, a story of a boy that we are going to tell today would definitely convince you. So, welcome to Crick Stories, and let's check out the story of an 11-year-old youngster from a financially challenged background in Uttar Pradesh who comes to Mumbai to live his only passion in life, that is cricket. He plays cricket in the days, sells pani puri during the evening, and sleeps under a tent in the night. Repeats this process over and over. 5 years later, the youngster makes it to the under 19 Indian team and is bought by IPL team for a whopping 2.4 crore rupees. This is the real life rags to riches tale of Yashasvi Jaiswal and how he achieved so much in just under 19 years of age. Yashasvi Jaiswal was born in small town of Suryavan in Uttar Pradesh. His father was shopkeeper and a teacher. Hailing from a family of 6 children, hardships were always there for young Yashasvi. The lack of cricket played in his neighborhood was one of his biggest concerns, and so he decided to migrate to India's financial capital and mecca of Indian cricket, that is Mumbai. Like thousands of others who come to the city with a handful of dreams, Yashasvi arrived in Mumbai in 2012 at the age of 10 to play cricket. When he first came to Mumbai, the immediate challenge was not how to hit cover drives or score centuries, but where to sleep, eat and bath. In the early months, he stayed in bustling area of Dadar in his uncle's home and worked briefly at a dairy. However, he had to soon move out due to the lack of space. Jaiswal's interest in cricket led him to join cricket sessions at Azad Maidan in Mumbai, but he had no place to stay. A dairy shop owner let him stay at nights for menial jobs. However, his time at the dairy shop wasn't long-lived as he dedicated more time towards cricket. He lost his place in the dairy shop, and these were tough times with no place to stay. But success was written in his destiny. He managed to get a place in Muslim United Club's tent at Azad Maidan, Mumbai, where the ground staff lived. Cricket occupied a major part of his time, but money had become an issue. At times, he had to use the public toilets at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and serve pani puris in the evening to his teammates to earn a cash. Things were going difficult over time, opportunities to play were looking unpromising, monetary constraints were higher than ever, and cricket was seeming to take a backseat in Yashasvi's life. But if this situation did not happen, there would not have been a word called life-changing incidents. One such was the entry of Jwala Singh, Yashasvi's batting coach. Someone who had churned out talents like Prithvi Shaw, Jwala Singh came like an angel in Yashasvi's life. He took the youngster's responsibility, provided him with a place to stay, and took his legal guardianship and power of attorney. But most importantly, he started nurturing the immense cricketing potential within the little boy. Jwala Singh silently worked behind the scenes while Yashasvi rose up the ranks of Mumbai cricket. In an interview with Jwala Singh, he tells how he noticed the talent at Azad Maidan. Commenting on Yashasvi's batting, he says,
In 2013 December, there's a match of our cricket academy called Mumbai Cricket Club. Practice just started in Azad Maidan. Some of my friends were practicing after the game, where the wicket was very rough, and one of the guy who play A division cricket, he was struggling over that wicket. Then a small kid went in the nets and he started playing against A division bowlers. My friend said that Jwala bhai, he's in trouble. He doesn't have anything in Mumbai. He said, can you help him out? So I said, fine, what kind of help he needs? He was very small kid, around 11 or 12. So I said, beta, what's your name? He said, sir, my name is Yashasvi Jaiswal. I said, where you stay? So he said, sir, कहीं भी रह जाता हूँ. फिलहाल तो ये आज़ाद मैदान के टेंट में रहता हूँ.
Under Jwala Singh's guidance, Yashasvi quickly rose the ranks and was selected in the Mumbai Under-16 squad. Having come to Mumbai to play for the city like his idol Sachin Tendulkar and Wasim Jafar, this new opportunity was a dream come true for the youngster. Now in Indian cricketing circle, if you shine for Mumbai, you are one step closer to an India call-up. Wearing India colours was a matter of time after that, and he was in under-19 squad for India's tour of Sri Lanka. He failed to make it count with the scores of 15 and 1 in the first two matches, but he hit back with 114 not out in the third game and cemented his place in the team. The 2018 Under-19 Asia Cup was the turning point of his life. He started with 100 and ended up scoring 318 runs, the highest in the tournament, leading India to a victory. In his first youth test debut, he hammered 173 and led India to a win. Further, he scored 4 half-centuries against England and Bangladesh in a tri-series the same year. With the consistent performances in age group tournament, Yashasvi was ready to make it to the big league. His senior career kicked off with his first-class debut for Mumbai in Ranji Trophy on 7 January 2019 against Chhattisgarh. But just like every other person, there was a moment yet to arrive that would have changed his life for the good. The 2019 Vijay Hazare Trophy was there. After a couple of good knocks in the first few matches, it was time for the big one. He recorded a 203 not out with 17 fours and 12 sixes against Jharkhand and became the youngest List A double centurion. Being the only third cricketer to make a double ton, Yashasvi's happiness knew no bounds. His other scores of 44, 22, 122 and 113 made him the fourth highest scorer, just 11 shy of the top spot. After his exploits in Vijay Hazare Trophy, he was selected for Deodhar Trophy and the 2020 Under-19 Cricket World Cup. Gaining the success in domestic leagues and age group international tournament were one thing, but cracking the IPL is just another level. The rags to riches story was just incomplete. Despite being listed in the uncapped players list in the IPL 2020 auction at a base price of 20 lakh rupees, the Rajasthan Royals paid him a prize of whopping 2.4 crore rupees to get him on board for IPL 2020. Caught back in surprise and excitement, Yashasvi said, "I had decided not to watch the IPL auction and went to meet my netmates at Kalina. But someone who was following the auctions on his mobile at the ground delivered the news to me that I was bought by Rajasthan Royals. Suddenly, all the cricketers there started celebrating and congratulating me. I never expected this huge amount." If the 2020 Under-19 World Cup is remembered for a player, it has to be Yashasvi Jaiswal. The World Cup did not end how he wanted it to be, as India lost to Bangladesh in the final, but he finished the tournament with 400 runs and 3 wickets and bagged Man of the Series award. In the 6th World Cup innings, Jaiswal scored 550 plus scores, including 100. The only time he did not get a half century was against Japan when India were chasing only 42. As per the reports, his trophy and a silverware was seen lying on a table, broken into 2 pieces, probably as a result of disappointing loss. When asked about this to Jwala Singh, he said, "This is not the first time. He cares more about runs and doesn't worry too much about trophies." Teenagers like Yashasvi Jaiswal, always regarded as next big thing, who shine brightly for a brief time and burn out, failing after early success. It's part of the reason why Jaiswal is completely off social media on the instructions of his coach. When he first arrived in Mumbai, there wasn't much on his mind apart from burning urge to play cricket. When things seemed rough, Jaiswal often thought of giving up and going home, but his desire to achieve something kept him going. Now there is a high possibility of him playing for India like his idols Sachin Tendulkar and Wasim Jafar. It just happened that Yashasvi was a roommate with Arjun Tendulkar in the preparatory NCA camp in Bangalore for the India Under-19 team's Sri Lanka tour. Yashasvi requested his roommate for one meeting with his father, the legendary Indian cricketer. Right after the camp was over, Yashasvi met his idol at his Bandra mansion, who even gifted him a bat. This wonder boy, who is on everyone's radar, still feels like the boy who just came to play cricket in Mumbai, because he thinks what has to happen will definitely happen.